Hello everyone. Hi Bacha Party. Good morning all. Yes, how are you all? Yes, you all are very fine, safe and doing good studies at home. Yes, you all are very smart, intelligent and good students of class 2. Yes, है ना? So, dear students, first we will talk journal conversation. First we will talk the journal conversation. Okay, what is that? That journal conversation is that let's see which festival is going to come. Yes, of course, Rakhi festival is going to come. Which festival? Rakhi festival. Yes, and what the speciality of this day, है ना? This day is especially made for the brother and the sister. This day specially is made for the brother and sisters. See, girls are wearing nice new outfit, new dresses, and they are getting ready in the morning, है ना? They are decorating their thali, the puja ki thali. They are keeping the haldi, kumkum, and the akshat, है ना? They are keeping the they are buying the rakhi from the market and keeping that rakhi in that plate in that puja ki thali, है ना? And then the brothers are wearing new dresses, new outfits, है ना? And they are sitting on the floor, है ना? Then the girls are tying the rakhi on the wrist of brother, and then sister will give the sweets to a brother, है ना? Then what? Brother gives what a brother give a promise to a sister. What is that promise? Yes, I always protect you. All the brothers are saying to the sisters, all the brothers are saying to the sisters that, dear sister, don't worry about anything. I always with you. I always protect you, है ना? Whenever you will have any problem, whenever you will get in any problem, then definitely I will take out you from that problem and I will protect you. This is the real meaning of the Raksha Bandhan, है ना? So dear students, celebrate your festival very nicely. Be happy, exchange the gift from each other, wear new dresses, eat sweets, and what? And feel happy. But don't forget one thing is that this coronavirus is still in our town, है ना? So be careful and be aware. Okay, now let's come on the study. Yes, chapter number 2, clothes, has completed. Now today I am going to tell you. Today I am going to I make you write the new words of the chapter. But I hope that you all are understood the chapter very nicely. See, this chapter is quite small, but I tried to give you more information. I tried to give you more knowledge about the clothes, how we can get the clothes, why we are wearing the clothes, and all these things, and diversity of the clothes, cleaning, and the caring of the clothes. These all things we already learnt, है ना? So this time I am not going to take a recap. I am not going to take a recap, but those students who are watching this video first time, definitely एक recap तो बनता है. So we all are need to clothes to cover our body, to protect our body from all type of weather, from all type of seasons and the insect bite. And pupil, those who are doing special jobs, pupil, those who are doing special job work, definitely they are wearing the different outfit or different uniforms, okay, which is called uniform, है ना? Then we learnt about the raw material of clothes, how we can get the raw material of clothes. So there are two types of raw material. First one, the natural resources. Yes, we are getting clothes, we are getting raw material from natural resources, and these natural resources are two types. फर्स्ट वन इज नेचुरल, सेकेंड वन इज एनिमल्स, है ना. एंड natural, we are talking about the plants. Yes, we are getting cotton from cotton plants and we are getting silk from silkworm. Apart these two, we are using the woolen clothes also, and we all are wearing the woolen clothes during winter season. So we get these woolen clothes from the animals only, and the name of the animals are sheep, yak, angora goat, camel and etc. Okay, so then I told you how we can get a cotton. Yes, we can get a cotton from a cotton plant, है ना. And this entire process I already told you, a long thread, it convert into yarns and yarns woven into fabric. Then we will get the clothes. Yes, then cut the clothes, stitch the clothes, and then we will get the clothes. Yes, a long thread converts into yarn, and yarn woven into fabric, and then the fabric piece cut and stitched, then we will get the clothes, है ना. And the same process which is from the woolen clothes also, we get wool from fleece of the animals, and then we will convert into yarns, then woven it, and then we will get the woolen clothes, है ना. Then we will come to know how we can get the silk from silkworm. Yes, this process is quite long, this process is quite lengthy, quite big. Yes, all the silkworms develop their life in the mulberry leaf. Yes, है ना. And then what is the mulberry leaf? This mulberry leaf is called शहतूत, is in Hindi, है ना. So they will give their eggs, and they are giving their eggs 400 or more than 400 in one day. Okay, at a time. So this is the process of the silkworm, and the silkworm converts into cocoon, and we boil the cocoon, and then we get the silk thread, है ना. Then I explained you difference between the synthetic clothes and the man-made clothes. Synthetic clothes, artificial clothes or man-made clothes, है ना. So and the natural clothes and the natural fabric. So this is the difference. All the natural resources give us the what? Give us the clothes and the fabrics, है ना. And the artificial we are developing, we are creating in the laboratories. Yes, we humans are making many things as like that. We can make the thread also. So in this category we learnt about the rayon, about the nylon, about the acrylic, and one more thing, rayon, nylon, polyester, rayon, nylon, polyester, and the acrylic. And I told you what is that process. Yes, it's look like a necklace, and one unit called is monomer, and when this unit will repeat again and again, so it's convert into a polymer. Then we get the synthetic thread, है ना. And by using thread we can get the synthetic clothes, है ना. But this synthetic cloth, this artificial clothes, this man-made clothes are not good for our skin. It is very, very cheap. It is not expensive. It is looking like the natural cotton, looking like the natural silk, but in reality it is not real, है ना. So it is looking like that, but it is not real. It is not good for our skin. ठीक है. So always try to wear the real clothes, है ना. So this all about your chapter, and I gave you a small work. I told you to make these pictures. And hope you will do, है ना. And then I will tell you some points, some caring points of the clothes, how we can care the clothes, है ना. सी नॉट ओनली अबाउट द क्लोथ्स, केयर फॉर एवरीथिंग, सब चीज़ों की आपको केयर करनी है. ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट योर चैप्टर 2 एंड नेम ऑफ द चैप्टर इज name of the chapter is, sorry, this is chapter 3. Name of the chapter is clothes. Okay, when you was in class 1, I already told you how to start writing. First you will write the number of the chapter, then you will start writing the name of the chapter, then your heading will come. And what is your heading? Your heading is new words. What is your heading? Your heading is new words, है ना. Then you will start writing with good handwriting. Okay, so let's see what are the words which you learnt in this chapter. I am going to write. Hope you will write with me, along me in your EVS notebook. These new words you have to write in the notebook. Okay, the first one is raw material. Okay, first one is raw material. Second one is cotton plant. ठीक है. Third one is yarns. Yarn. है ना. Then move on into cloth. Then woven into clothes. Then fleece. Then sperm into yarns. Sperm into yarn. And then yarns are woven into woolen. Then cocoon. Then silkworm. Okay, then threads. Then separated. Okay, now I am going to write over here this side. Then durable. Then attractive. Okay, then mulberry. Rayon. Nylon. Polyester. Acrylic. Synthetic. Diversity. And cupboard or cupboard. Okay, so these are your new words of the chapter. These are your new words of the chapter. Raw material. Yes, raw material. We are getting raw material. Raw material means the kacha material. Raw means kacha. I already explained the meaning of this word raw. Yes. During summer season we all are eating the raw mangoes, kacha aam, है ना? So raw banana, kacha kela, है ना? So this raw material, kacha mal. Okay, then cotton plants, yarns woven into cloth. See this wala and this wala I wrote little big, so you can learn this here and here only. So when you will write the question and the answers, that time you no need to learn the answers. Some answers you will get from the here only, some spellings you will learn from here only, so you will not face any problem when you will solve, when you will write the question and the answers, है ना? Okay, then woven into cloth, fleece, pumps into yarn, yarns are woven into woolen, cocoon, silkworm, thread, separated, separate. See, separate करना means अलग अलग करना. Separate means अलग अलग करना. Okay, and then durable. Yes, durable means long life, long service, long life. Attractive, सुंदर, है ना? Mulberry, the name of the leaf where are the cocoons grown. Rayon, these are the names of the artificial thread. Rayon, material or texture. Rayon, nylon, polyester or acrylic. Synthetic, diversity. Diversity means भिन्नता, है ना? And cupboard, तो you already knows cupboard, almirahs, है ना? So I hope you will write along with me. Write with good handwriting. Whenever you will write, handwriting should be beautiful as like you all. Or you can take a screenshot. You can take a screenshot also, है ना? When we will, yes, I hope you have done, because there are few words. How many words? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Only 21 words are there. Write and learn the spellings. Take a screenshot. I hope you will take the screenshot, and I am not in front of the board, so you can write easily. Now we will do one more exercise. We will do one more exercise. Is that tick the correct option? What is that? Tick the correct option, है ना? This tick the correct option, no need to write in the notebook. This you have to do in the book only. आपको इसको कॉपी में लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. No need to write in the notebook. Let's see what are these. Tick the correct option. Okay, yeah, tick the correct answer or option. Same thing. In your book, answer is written. Okay, now number 1. Let's see what is number 1. Which one comes from plants? Which one comes from plants? Which one comes from plants? है ना? Plants. First one, cotton, wool and silk. Cotton. Option A, cotton. Option B, wool. option C, silk. Okay, so which is the right answer? Which one comes from plant? Yes, we all are getting cotton from cotton plant. So A option is the right answer. Now let's see what is second. Wool comes mainly from what? Wool comes mainly from wool comes mainly from a what? Option A, sheep. Option B, horse. And option C, cow. So which is the right answer? We are getting wool from what? We are getting wool from sheep. So option A is your correct answer. Now let's see what is number 3. Silkworm feed on the leaves of, yes, silkworm feed means khana on the leaves of what? Mango, neem or mulberry. Option A, mango. Option B, neem. And option C, mulberry. So which is the right answer? Silkworm feeds on the leaves of what? कौन सी leaves से सिल्कवॉर्म को फीडिंग बहुत करता है, खाना खाता है? मलबेरी. So option C is the right answer. है ना? So this tick the correct answer. This tick the correct option. You have to do in the book only. No need to write in the notebook. Number 1, which comes from plants? Cotton. है ना? Option A is the right answer. Wool comes from mainly from a sheep. Yes, sheep gives us wool and silkworm feed on the leaves of mulberry. So this is your exercise number A. When we will meet on next time, then we will do these two exercises. Circle the correct word and fill in the blanks with the word given in the help box. Okay, so it's enough from my side. Till then, bye bye, have a nice day, God bless, and enjoy your festivals. Bye bye.